Well, today I have successfully adulted. Just went fishing with 2 adults and 6 kids. That was interesting. Alright, we're here camped beside the Loddon, and I'm going to be doing some prospecting tomorrow, hopefully. And before we left, in the mail, I got a new pump. And so hopefully I'm going to make my hand operated crevice sucker. And I'm going to do that while the kids are going, you know, crazy and we're cooking dinner. Yeah. Hopefully I can continue being an adult and not lose my rag. Well, I've been chased inside by the rain, but dinner's still yet to be cooked. It's a fortunate thing I've married a tough wife.
Hey.
Wave, Sarah! You're awesome! Such a hero! Well, the rain stopped, so we ventured out again. Sarah!
Hi!
You are a trooper.
I'm wet.
You are a little moist. So, what were you saying, Morag?
Mum's pillow has also been weed on.
Mum's pillow's been weed on.
Yeah.
Who weed on Mum's pillow?
Annalise.
Yes, this is true. Annalise has weed on your pillow.
I wanted a new pillow. Are you still planning on cooking that? We might still be cooking tablet because I think Charlie may have found the butter.
Stirring stick.
What are you making, Dad?
Do you remember the special fudge that Dad makes?
Yeah.
Right here.
Yeah. Can you get some more of the hardwood?
Yep, there you go. Now.
So I'm going to stick that in the car, and it should be ready for breakfast. Okay, so I've just shown Sarah the biggest piece of gold I've ever found and the biggest sapphire I've ever found. What was the question you just asked me?
Have you checked the tablet this morning?
Turns out Sarah was really serious about having the tablet for breakfast. So I'm not sure this is really good parenting. Not setting a good example. But here it is, in all its fatty, sugary goodness. So let's see what she thinks. Hey Sarah.
Yeah. Oh, yum.
Ooh.
Oh, holy.
And mine. So I like it.
Don't cut the pan. This is adult food. Not for kids.
Why can't we have it? Have a taste.
You can, in about 10 years. Well, actually, no, 20 years. Your case.
Why?
Because you're so young. And, and impressionable.
We don't want to.
What, get old? Well, I can understand that. With age comes responsibility. It does come with some perks, like getting to eat tablet for breakfast. Oh my god, that's not tablet.
This is hard caramel.
Maybe I boiled it for too long.
Yum.
Any good?
Yeah.
Well, I don't think that worked. But apparently it tastes good. I'm going to grind myself some coffee though. Because if I had that much sugar and butter and cream before I have my coffee, then I don't think I'd be able to drink my coffee.